In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop Outlook from grouping your emails. If your inbox is bunching messages into conversations and you'd rather see each email listed on its own, I'll walk you through how to turn that off in both Outlook on the web and the new Outlook app, as well as in classic Outlook on Windows. I'll explain what to click, why it matters, and what to expect after you make the change. Let's start with Outlook on the web or the new Outlook. Open Settings by clicking the gear icon in the top right corner. This opens a panel where you can search, which is often the fastest way to find what you need. Type Message Organization, or browse to view all Outlook settings, then go to Mail, Layout, and Message Organization. Here you'll see the options that control how messages are grouped. Choose Do Not Group Messages to display each email individually. In some versions, you'll see a checkbox labeled Show Messages Arranged by Conversation in each folder. Uncheck that option, then click Save. Once you save, your inbox will refresh and you'll see messages listed separately instead of threaded together. If a folder still looks grouped, switch to that folder and check its setting, since some conversation options can apply per folder. Now, for classic Outlook on the desktop, the controls live on the ribbon. Go to the View tab and click View Settings. In the dialog that opens, select Group By. In the Group By window, uncheck Automatically Group According to Arrangement. This turns off automatic grouping for the current view so messages won't be clustered under headings like Date or From. After unchecking, close that dialog by clicking Cancel as directed, which returns you to the Main View tab. Next, in the Messages group on the ribbon, uncheck Show as Conversations. When prompted, choose whether you want this change to apply to just the current folder or to all mailboxes. Pick what fits your workflow. Applying it to all mailboxes ensures a consistent experience across your inbox, sent items, and any additional accounts. A quick note on what you'll see afterward: with grouping and conversation view turned off, each email appears as its own line, sorted by your chosen column, such as Date Receive. If you rely on subject lines or senders to scan quickly, this layout can make triage feel faster and more predictable. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.